everyone, it's Hannah and I'm going to talk to you today about our Ribosome Kit. This kit forms the perfect bridge between our DNA kit, which you can use to talk about transcription and translation, and our Macromolecules proteins kit, which talks about protein folding. But between these two kits, we don't really discuss the role of the ribosome. So that's where the Ribosome Kit comes in. This allows you to build and go through the motions of a ribosome where the tRNAs link into the mRNA and start slowly building the peptide chain. Additionally, you can use this kit to discuss the role of antibiotics and how they help prevent infections. So let's talk about assembly. The first thing you do is you take your large subunit and you simply slide it onto the T hooks at the bottom or at the top of the small subunit that goes on the bottom. The next piece you'll need is your mRNA chain. We have a pre-designed mRNA chain that corresponds to the tRNAs provided in the kit. Next, you need to build your tRNAs. So you'll find these same beads in this kit that are in our Macromolecules proteins kit. And these beads correspond directly to the tRNAs included, so you can simply place each relevant one within the tRNA, which will then carry it into the ribosome. Once you've done that, insert your mRNA into the side of the small subunit, corresponding to the side with the A location of the large subunit. Then find your tRNA that corresponds with the anticodon to the beginning of the mRNA chain. Slide it in to this rail that's built in, and as it gets to location A, the mRNA and the tRNA will link up and be able to be transferred together to location P. Then take your second tRNA, slide it in. Then you can use a simple chenille stem to start building your protein. Take the first of the amino acid beads and slide it onto the chenille stem, which is entering the ribosome through this opening at the back. This slides out of the way and you're able to continue building your peptide chain one amino acid at a time. The mRNA ends with a stop codon, so when the stop codon reaches location P, you can simply remove the protein you have created. That's how you would do simple protein synthesis using the Ribosome Kit. If you want to expand this to discuss the role of an antibiotic in preventing infections by preventing protein synthesis from occurring, simply use our little antibiotic piece here, which has an RX inscribed on it. Insert the antibiotic the same way you would with the tRNAs and slide it all the way over to point P and then sort of push it into that corner there. Then, when your protein starts trying to be formed with the mRNAs and the tRNAs coming in, it's going to find that it's blocked by the antibiotic and can't actually then form the peptide chain. So that's how antibiotics work with this kit, and you have a chance to explore both that and traditional protein synthesis. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.